This video will guide you through the advanced world of XML manipulation using PHP's DOMDocument class. Learn how to effectively create, read, and modify XML documents with ease. DOMDocument is a powerful PHP class. It provides a complete interface for creating, reading, and manipulating XML documents using the document object model, also known as DOM. To begin, you first need to create a new instance of the DOMDocument class. Here's how you can do it in PHP. First, you create a new DOMDocument instance with version 1.0 and UTF-8 encoding. Then, enable formatting for a readable output, and preserve whitespace to false. Once you have a DOMDocument instance, you can load XML content from various sources. You can load XML content from a string, where you define an XML string and use the load_XML method to load the XML. Alternatively, you can load from a file, using the load method and specifying the file name. Creating XML elements programmatically involves using DOMDocument methods to generate elements, and then appending them to the XML structure. Firstly, create a root element, then append it to the DOMDocument. Next, create a child element with text, such as a book, and append it to the root element. Attributes provide additional information about XML elements. To add attributes, you can use the setAttribute method to set individual attributes, or create attribute nodes and append them to the element. First, set a single attribute, such as ID and category. Then you can create and set an attribute node, such as author, and append it to the book element. XPath allows you to query XML documents for specific elements and attributes. To use XPath, you create a DOM XPath object, then you can query elements using an XPath expression, such as finding all books with the category programming. Finally, you can access the results by looping through the found books and accessing their node value. After manipulating the XML document, you can save the output to a file or retrieve it as a string. To save to a file, use the save method and specify the file name, and to get the XML as a string, use the save XML method and then output the string to the browser using the echo command. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.